Hello investors! Here's our technically speaking trade ideas and commentaries for the week.
The PSEi has extended its winning streak to 6 weeks, registering a gain of 0.09%. As the index's win streak prolongs, the gains are becoming less, which signals that the current uptrend's momentum is already weakening. From last week's technically speaking observations, the bearish divergence with MACD and RSI is now more apparent. This means that we have to raise alerts and be more cautious in entering trades. From the PSEi's current situation, it seems that a pause or correction is due.
For this week's trade ideas, we're featuring
Robinson's Land Corporation. Since December of last year, RLC managed to surpass 3 resistance levels: 1. Its downtrend line drawn from the peak of January 2020, 2. The top end of its uptrend channel drawn from March 2023 lows, and 3. Its 17-month range. Last Friday, it closed at 16.86, and a buying opportunity is present close to 16.50 or where its February 2024 consolidation is. If the stock exhibits a breakout rally, we estimate our target at 19.90 or RLC's August 19, 2022 high. For risk management, place your stop level at 15.62.
Like these ideas? Take action and log into your BDO Securities account today. If you're a newer investor or trader, be sure to also check out our educational content on our website and our social media channels.